fishing the south, taking the boat out again. It's pretty windy out here again, but the tide seems pretty high. And we got some of my family in town, so we're gonna take them out on the boat for the first time. So we're gonna see how this goes, and Josh is backing us in now. I'll see you guys out on the water.
The sheepshead. There we go, a sheepshead. Good job. Let's see. I'll get them off for you.
No, what
Yeah, he's too small. A while back, you know, he would have been a keeper. Let go of the hook. It's a sheepshead.
Yeah, that was just with one of the heads. So.
That was just the head?
Yeah. Sheephead, that's a good thing about that, man. They're not thinking about what they eat.
You want to get a picture with him?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Gotcha. Little sheepshead?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
You gonna hold it?
Go ahead and throw him back. There you go, buddy. Good job. Awesome. You got what you got? Redfish?
It feels like a
Trout?
He's got some head shakes, dude.
Hey, looks good, man. I'm gonna get down there and get him for you.
Yeah.
It's a redfish.
Is it? That was a redfish. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Fling him on in here, Bo. Oh, that's a redfish.
Yeah.
Good.
There you go, Jimmy. Oh, he's undersized, man. He's about 16.
You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Where's my phone at?
Wait a second.
I love it. All right. Go ahead and get the release.
Mom.
Mom.
We took a few pictures.
I took a few.
Yeah, you can send it to me.
Yeah.
We'll send it to
Go ahead and release it, buddy.
Nice job. Good job.
Awesome.
Oh, your hands are nice and slimy. Awesome.
Jimmy! Yes!
I was looking at the boat.
Yes, you were.
Looking at the boat.
What you got? A little croaker? A little croaker? Oh, it's not a little croaker, it's a good croaker. Not mad at that.
You'd be surprised, man. These little croakers will put as much as they can fit in their mouth.
Yes, they will. Again with that song. There he is. There he is. Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it was a little better than that, I'll be honest.
Catching like crazy.
Catching like crazy.
What's even better is when you catch them like crazy and they're all keeper size.
Yeah, that's when it's fun. It's still fun to catch fish.
Yeah. Nothing to do. Do a Sunday.
Yep.
Good thing I said no to the one.
Yeah. We'd have come back, we'd have been like, that was a horrible idea. Who thought about this? That's probably croaker, but yeah.
You did a oh my god on the croaker.
Dude, I wasn't paying attention to my... Why you gotta say it like that, man?
You did.
Look how big this croaker is. Why are you judging me right now?
Oh, you got the fish so close to the camera.
This is such a big croaker. What did you... Ah! Oh man, we lost the big redfish that I just had in my hand. Probably another croaker. I don't know.
Caddy.
I knew it.
Called it.
I knew it.
Called it.
I was like, I didn't want to say it though, but the way it was going down, I was like, no.
What you don't want is catfish.
Why you gotta be like that? Just calm
That's a
down.
tiny catfish.
Ah, these are the worst. No.
He's got 3 prongs on it, and every one of them are 40. He's sucking his taxes. Stab.
Yeah, they like to stab and whatnot. All right, y'all. A little meow.
Why do they call it catfish?
Maybe because of the whiskers. I don't know.
Like cats. Nobody likes cats. Wait, edit that. Take that off.
Some people like cats. Oh my God, Jimmy!
I was talking.
There he is, Jimmy.
I'm too much slack.
Uh oh, Jimmy.
Okay.
Okay, Jimmy. Okay.
Out there.
Oh, is that a big croaker? That's a giant croaker, dude.
Little croaky.
Oh my goodness. Make a sandwich. Yeah, still got some shrimp.
Kiss it.
Make a sandwich out of that one. You want to kiss it? Do what? We went over there. We caught one redfish and a little sheepshead, little redfish, bunch of croaker. Oh, yeah. So what? You got a new prop on there?
Yeah, the guy gave us a spun prop, like a new prop.
Oh yeah.
He said it was spun. I
Yeah.
took the old one and put it on.
I like it.
I got a real fuel line on it. Go ahead. Set it all back up.
How are you? Josh. We've met before. Oh, what?
What?
I like that.
The rollers?
Yes. Life's so much easier.
It is.
Yes.
That is. Not bad. I mean, we've been working on it for 6 months now.
I got you.
I got to sand it all down, paint some stuff, clean it up.
No, it's very nice.
We just got the motor on it so long ago.
I gotta get the truck. I'll see you. It's not horrible. You got this. Oh yeah, it's gonna line up. Not perfect, but there it goes. Guide you right on in there. Oh yeah. Little breezy out here. Yeah. I hope JR and them didn't go out in this. I told you, it's a touchy throttle. Jimmy just thinks I'm trying to kill him, but that throttle is pretty touchy on there. That's it? I'm gonna go ahead and back it down a little more there, bud. Felt good. It's good. It's on there. So we just got back in, loaded the boat up. I just cleaned it. Swarmed by gnats. I feel while we were doing that. So we had a couple dead crawfish. You know, you put the dead crawfish in the sack whenever you're purging them. So we put them in a pot, and then we were going to throw them away after everything got said and done. Well, after last night, you know, we had a few adult beverages and forgot about them. And I go to the backyard, get the water hose, and I looked at the pot, and I thought back to myself, we did something to that. We put something in there, and I opened it up, and sure enough, we did, and it was horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. So Jimmy helped me throw them in the trash can, because Monday is when the trash runs. And then I just cleaned the boat, got it all nice and pretty. The gnats are so bad. Like, you want the boat to be pretty, but when you got black little specks all over it from dead gnats, it's so... you think you go over a spot and you're like, oh, that's dirt right there. And then you realize, oh, that's not dirt. Those are bugs. It was wonderful, I tell you what. But, yeah, it was a fun day today. Just get out on the water. This wind, though, y'all, it's so hard to make a fishing video when you can't fish, really. I mean, I don't know. I want to, but it's too risky to take it out where we want to go. And... oh, sitting down is kind of nice, to be honest with you. I don't know. We'll figure something out. We'll get something going on. Just the water's real rough and the wind's so hard to go anywhere, even, you know, out front where we would fish usually. So we decided to stay in the bayou, try to do some fishing. Jimmy caught a little redfish and Robert caught a little sheepshead. It was still fun. We had a good time. But y'all hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification, the little bell, so when we drop a video, y'all are notified. I'm going to give away these matrix boxes, so that should be interesting. Be fun. All right, y'all. We'll see you on the next one.